Ghost guns are untraceable firearms assembled from kits or 3D printers without serial numbers. These guns have gained popularity in recent years, particularly among people otherwise prohibited from owning firearms. In 2022, the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives took steps to regulate ghost guns by requiring manufacturers add serial numbers, conduct background checks, and maintain sales records. Gun owners and rights organizations challenged this, claiming kits weren't firearms under the Federal Gun Control Act and could therefore not be regulated. A Texas court agreed, but the Supreme Court recently reversed in a 7-2 decision. Justice Neil Gorsuch, who wrote the majority opinion, held that some ghost gun kits meet the federal definition of a firearm. The court left open the possibility that some kits may not be subject to regulation, but those that readily convert to a functional weapon are. The ruling means manufacturers must meet ATF regulations for gun kits and makes it harder to bypass federal gun control regulation and laws.